Let's start exercise 2.1. Number 1 is what? 2 minus 3 by 5. So here 2 is there and 3 by 5. 2 is a whole number and 3 by 5 is a what? Fraction. So we can write 2 as a 2 by 1 minus 3 by 5. So now convert it into like fraction. These are unlike fraction. So downside 5 is there, 1 is there. So LCM of 1 and 5, LCM of 1 and 5 equal to what? 1 into 5 equal to 5. So we can convert it into 5. So 2 by 1, here will multiply 5, here will multiply 5. So what will go? Sorry, minus 3 by 5. Already 5 is there. So 2 into 5 equal to 10. 1 into 5 equal to 5 minus 3 by 5. Now both have same denominator. So we'll subtract 10 minus 3 equal to 7 by 5. Next we'll go to number V. 7 by 10 plus 2 by 5 plus 3 by 2. So look at here what we have, 10, 5, 2. So we can convert it into, we'll take the LCM. What is the LCM? LCM of 10, 5, 2 is what? How much? 10. So we can convert the denominator of all fraction equal to 10. So already 7 by 10 is there. 7 by 10 is there. Now convert 2 by 5 and 3 by 2. 2 by 5 equal to 2 into 2, 5 into 2. What we get? 4 by 10. Then convert 3 by 2. 3 by 2 into 2 into 5, 3 into 5. 15 by 10. So now we get the like fraction, right? 7 by 10 plus 2 by 5 is what? 4 by 10 plus 3 by 2 is 15 by 10. So you can write as 10, whole 10 is there. So like fractions are there. So you can write, we can add all these three. So 7, 4, 13. 13 plus 15 equal to 1. So you can do rest of the question number 1 by yourself. So what you have to do, you have to convert it into like fraction, then you have to add or you have to subtract. So this is about addition and subtraction. Next we'll go number 2, arrange the following in descending order. 1 I will do, rest you will do. So 2, what number is given? 2 by 9, 2 by 3, 8 by 21. So all these are unlike fractions. So descending order means we'll go from greater number to smaller number. So we have to see which one is greater than which number, which fraction. So here unlike fraction are there. So we have to first convert it into like fraction. So here 9, 3 and 21 is there here. So first we'll take we have to change the denominator. So first we'll find out the LCM. Always find the LCM of all the denominators. LCM of 9, 3 and 21 are. So here I am showing how we will find LCM 9, 3, 21. So how can? So 3 3 ja 9, 3 1 ja 3, 3 7 ja 21. So LCM equal to how much? 3 into 3 into 1 into 7. So 3 3 are 9, 9 7 are 3 3 are 9, 9 7 are 63. So LCM is what? 63. So I am hoping that you all can recall how to find the LCM. So LCM is 63 means we can convert whole denominator into 63. So let's see. First number is 2 by 9 equal to 2 into 9 into. So what will multiply? 9 into 7 equal to 63. So I'll multiply 7 to the numerator. So 14 by 63. Next I'll see 3 by, next is 2 by 3 equal to 2 into 3 into. So 3 into 21 equal to 63. So I'll multiply 21 to the numerator. So 21 to 42 by 63. Next I'll see what is given, 8 by 21. 8 by 21 equal to 8 into 21 into 21 into how much equal to 33? 63? 3. So I'll multiply 3 to the numerator also. So 8 3 ja 24, 21 3 ja 63. Now in all these fractions the denominator is same. So all these are like fractions. Now we'll see the which one of the numerator are bigger. So 42 is bigger. So 42 is bigger than 24. 42 is bigger than 24. 24 is bigger than 14. You can write it as 42 by 63 greater than 24 by 63 greater than 14 by 63. Hence, what will be there? 42 by 63 is how much? 2 by 3. 2 by 3 is greater than 24 by 63 is 8. 8 by 21 is greater than 14 by 63 is 2 by 9. So, now we have arranged it into descending order. Which one is what? 2 by 3 is greater number and 2 by 9 is lesser number. 2 by 3 is greater fraction and 2 by 9 is lesser fraction. So this is in descending order. Question number 3. In a magic square, the sum of the numbers in each row, in each column and along the diagonals is same. Is this a magic square? This one we have done like this. We have done in integers also. So we'll check, is this magic square? So magic square were, these are 1 2 3 rows. These 1 2 3 rows. 3 rows will addition of sum of each numbers in each row. So if this is 1 2 3, these 3 rows will be same, and here 1 2 3, these 3 column will be same. Then the sum along the diagonals, this diagonals will be same. Then this will be magic square. So let's check what it is given. Sum along the first row. So we'll see first row, 4 by 11 plus 9 by 11 plus 2 by 11. So these three in one first row, these 3 numbers are there. Now add it. These are like fractions. No. So we can add the numerator. So 4 plus 9 equal to 13. 13 plus 2 equal to 15. So 15 by 11. Next see the second row. What are the numbers? 3 by 11 plus 5 by 11 plus 7 by 11. So add it. All are like fractions. 3 5 8. 8 plus 7 15. 15 by 11. Same. Next go to third row. Third row 8 by 11 plus 1 by 11 plus 6 by 11 equal to same like fraction. So 8 1 9. 9 plus 6 15. 15 by 11. Next we'll go to, these are whole column. So all, if we are sum of each column, row, sum of each row, what we get? 15 by 11. So all these are same. Next we'll see the columns. So sum along the first column. First column is what? 4 by 11, 3 by 11, 8 by 11. So 4 by 11, 3 by 11 plus 8 by 11. So like fractions. So add the numerator 4, 3, 7, 7 plus 8, 15. 15 by 11. Next we'll check the second column. 9 by 11, 5 by 11, 1 by 11. 9 by 11 plus 5 by 11 plus 1 by 11 equal to, these are like fractions, so 9 plus 5, 14, 14 plus 1, 15, 15 by 11. Next we'll do third column. Third column, 2 by 11, 7 by 11, 6 by 11. 2 by 11, 7 by 11 plus 7 by 11 plus 6 by 11. Like fractions, so add it. 7 plus 2 plus 7, 9, 9 plus 6, 15. So here also you are getting, in these three column, in each column sum is same. 15 by 11, 15 by 11, 15 by 11. So first, second, third column have the same. The sum is same in each column. So let's go to diagonal. So let's see the diagonal. Diagonal is what? Look at the diagonal. So along the first diagonal, sum along the first diagonal, we'll see this diagonal. 4 by 11, 5 by 11, 6 by 11. 4 by 11 plus 5 by 11 plus 6 by 11. So 4 plus 5, 9, 9 plus 6, 15. 15 by 11. Next we'll go to second diagonal. So sum of the second diagonal, look at here. First we'll see the diagonal, second diagonal. This one is the second diagonal. So in second diagonal, 8 by 11, 5 by 11 or 2 by, or from the top you can see 2 by 11, 5 by 11, 8 by 11. So let's write 2 by 11, 5 by 11, 2 by 11 plus 5 by 11 plus 8 by 11. So like fractions is there. So we can add 5 plus 2, 7, 7 plus 8, 15, 15 by 11. So along the diagonal also 15, the sum of fractions are same. 15 by 11, 15 by 11. So we are getting the same in rows, in columns, in rows and in diagonals. So this is what? Thus this is a magic square because the sum of numbers in each row, column and diagonal is are same. Next question is number 4 question. A rectangular sheet of paper is 12.5 centimeter long and 10 and 2 by 3 centimeter wide. Find its perimeter. So this is a rectangular sheet. So long. Length. Long is what? Length. 12.5 equal to 12 to the 24 plus 1 25 by 2 cm. Breadth is how much? Breadth is 10 and 2 by 3 centimeter equal to 10 3 is 30 plus 2 32 by 3 cm. So what is the perimeter of rectangle? 2 and 2 into half length plus breadth. So 2 into length is how much? 25 by 2 plus breadth is 32 by 3 cm. So 3 and 2 are there. So denominator are different, means we have to convert into like fraction. So LCM of 2 and 3 equal to how much? 6. 2 into 3, 6. So convert it into like fraction. So we can take it as a 2 into 25 into 3, 2 into 3 plus 32 into 2 by 3 into 2. What we got? 2 whole into 75 by 6 plus 64 by 6. So what we are getting? 2 into 75 plus 64 equal to 139. 139 by 6. So we can multiply. So 2 1 are 2, 2 3 are 6. So answer is what? 139 by 6 cm. So we can convert it into improper fraction, mixed fraction, 49 and 1 by 3 cm. So answer is what? Answer is what? 49 and 1 by 3 cm is the perimeter. Number 5 question is, find the perimeters of triangle ABE and the rectangle BCDE in this figure whose perimeter is greater. So here ABE is the triangle, BCDE is the rectangle. So triangle, 3 sides are given. So triangle perimeter is what? The sum of the 3 sides. So you have to find out the sum of these 3 sides, AB plus BE plus AE. Then you have to find out the perimeter of rectangle. Perimeter of rectangle is what? 2 whole into length plus breadth. So 2 whole into BE plus ED. So you have to find out the perimeter of triangle and perimeter of rectangle. Then you have to see which one is greater, which perimeter is greater. So this one you will do by yourself. Next, number 6. Salil wants to put a picture in a frame. The picture is 7 and 3 by 5 centimeter wide to fit in the frame. So picture frame is broad, that is 7.7 and 3 centimeter, 3 by 5 centimeter wide. To fit in the frame, the picture cannot be more than 7 and 3 by 10 centimeter wide. So this cannot be frame. Our frame is, picture is 7.35 centimeter, 7 and 3 by 5 centimeter wide, and our picture is this much and frame is this much. To fit into the frame, the picture cannot be more than this. Means frame size is, frame wide is 7 and 3.5 centimeter. 3 by 10 centimeter wide. So how much should the picture be trimmed? So picture is more than, picture wide is more than picture width is more than frame width. So you have to trim. Trim means what? We have to cut the size, cut the width. So width of the picture is 7 and 3 by 5 centimeter. So 5 7 is 35 plus 3, 38 by 5 centimeter. Next, width of frame is 7 and 3 by 10 cm. So convert it into fraction, improper fraction. 10 7 is 70 plus 3 equal to 73 by 10 cm. So the picture should be trimmed by, how much picture should be trimmed? 73. Picture should be trimmed by 38 by 5 minus 73 by 10 cm. So width of picture minus width of frame. Picture should be trimmed, so picture should be cut. So from picture we'll cut this much portion. So how much we'll get? Both are what? Unlike fraction, so we have to convert it into like fraction. So 5 and 10, LCM of 5 and 10 are how much? 10. So 38 into by 5 into 5 into 2, 38 into 2 minus 73 by 10. Already here 10 is there, no need of converting. Equal to 38 into 2 equal to 76 by 10 minus 73 by 10 equal to 76 minus 73 equal to 3 by 10 cm. So how much picture should be trimmed? Hence the picture should be trimmed by 3 by 10 cm. Number 7. Ritu ate 3 by 5 part of an apple and remaining was eaten by her brother. How much part of the apple did Somu eat? Who had larger share by how much? So let whole part is 1. If whole part is 1, then part of apple eaten by Ritu is 3 by 5. So part of apple eaten by Somu. Somu how much he has eaten? 1 whole minus how much apple eaten by how much part apple eaten by Ritu. 1 minus 3 by 5. So here 1 equal to what? 1 into 1 by 1. So here 1 and 5. So LCM of 1 and 5 is how much? 5. So this is what? 1 by 1 minus 3 by 5. So you can 1 minus 3 by 5 equal to what will write? 1 into 5 by 1 into 5 minus 3 by 5 equal to 5 by 5 minus 3 by 5. So 5 minus 3 equal to 2. 2 by 5. So Somu's part is how much? 2 by 5. Now let's see. So which one is larger share? 3 by 5 or 2 by 5? Both are like. So 3 by 5 is larger share. So how much large? So how much by how much? So larger share equal to 3 by 5. That one. Who has larger share? Part of apple eaten by Ritu. Look, Ritu has eaten 3 by 5 and Somu's part is 2 by 5. So from 3 by 5, 2 by 5, which one is greater? 3 by 5 is larger than 2 by 5. So 3 by 5 means Ritu's share is larger than Somu's share. So look at this. Difference between two shares. Difference between two shares means equal to 3 by 5 minus 2 by 5 equal to 1 by 5. Number 8. Michael finished coloring a picture in 7 by 12 hour. Vaibhav finished coloring the same picture in 3 by 4 hour. Who worked longer? By what fraction was it longer? So you have to find out time taken by Michael to color the picture 7 by 12 hour and time taken by Vaibhav to color the picture 3 by 4 hour. So difference between time. So first what you will find out? Which one is? So first you will find out which one is who has worked more or who has taken time more to color the picture. So which one is more, 7 by 12 or 3 by 4? So these are unlike fractions. So first you convert 7 by 12 and 3 by 4 into like fraction. After that you can see to change the denominator, take the LCM of denominator and convert it into like fraction. Then you can know which time who has taken more time. Then you will find out by what fraction was it longer. So you have to subtract the lesser time from the greater time minus lesser time, and you will get the difference, means by what fraction was it longer. This question is like 7 number question, so this one you will do by yourself. Thank you.